Viewers, I hope you are all fine. This ultrasound video shows intestinal obstruction with sealed perforation. We defined seal of perforation as a colon perforation with localized abscess identified on operative computed tomography or pathological findings with no evidence of free perforation, including fecal contamination and dirty fluid collection in the peritoneal cavity. You can see the scanning of the lower abdominal cavity, the area just above the urine-filled urinary bladder, and you can see fluid seen, thick fluid seen, and multiple adhesions are visible in between the gut loops and this thick fluid. Now the signs of perforation, of bowel perforation. Symptoms of a bowel perforation include sudden and severe abdominal pain, nausea and vomiting, fever, chills, swelling and bloating of abdomen. Again, you can see these adhesions, multiple adhesions seen in between the gut loops. Now, the term adhesions refers to the formation of scar tissue between bowel lobes, small and large intestine, and the inner lining of abdominal wall, peritoneal lining, or with other organs within the abdominal cavity, liver, gallbladder, uterus, and its attached fallopian tubes and ovaries and urinary bladder. Now you can see there is no intestinal movements visible in the lower abdominal cavity. Now the symptoms of abdominal adhesions are abdominal pain, bloating, constipation, not passing gas, that is flatus, nausea, vomiting. Again you can see the gut loops, and you can see there are no intestinal movements. Again you will see the adhesions. In most cases, adhesions do not cause health problems. In a small number of patients who have adhesions, however, the fibrous bands of scar tissue block the intestine either completely or partially. This blockage is called bowel obstruction. In people who have had multiple abdominal surgeries, adhesions are common. And now again you will see these adhesions and the perforation, thick fluid forming multiple adhesions in between the gut loops. You can find some important information in the description of this video. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe my channel. If you do like this video, please click the like